sweetie, it's that time of the month again. You don't have to explain anything. I got you, okay? I know it's hard for you around this time. Here, first things first. Can I get you anything to help you with your cramps? I mean, I can go get you some pain relief or make you a cup of tea. Just say the word. And I know this sucks, but I'm right here for you to help you through it. And if you want to rest, I can stay close. And if you need any distractions, we can just watch a movie, cuddle up, and just lay there. I mean, sweetie, you shouldn't feel like you're pushing through this on your own. I'm here for you. I'm here to take care of you. So, let me take some weight off of your shoulders. No, sweetie. You're always handling everything with so much strength. But right now, just focus on resting. Take it easy. You deserve it. Here, let me give you a massage. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? I wish that I could take all the pain away from you. You don't deserve to feel like this. But I'll do anything to make you feel better. Baby, I'll stay with you as long as you need to. If you want, we can just lay here, relax, and I'll hold you close. And if you need to talk, I can listen. I'm here. Baby, you're so strong. You're so strong for getting through this. But I want you to know it's okay to let go sometimes. I mean, you don't have to push yourself right now. You don't. I mean, just let me take care of you. Here you go, sweetie. I got you this heated water ball thingy. It's in the shape of a bear. You're supposed to heat it up and it's supposed to go in your belly. Okay. Give me 1 second, let me go heat it up for you. There you go, sweetie, I'm back. Here. Let me put this water bottle on your belly. There you go. See? Doesn't that feel better? Baby, scoot over a little bit. And let me lie down next to you. You know, I was thinking about how we first met back in college. I mean, it feels like a lifetime ago, but I remember it so clearly. Like it happened yesterday. I was running late to class. Typical me, right? I was rushing through the hallways, trying to make it before the professor noticed me. And then boom, I bumped right into you. And I'll never forget that look on your face. You were so startled. You dropped all your books. They went flying. I felt so bad. And I remember kneeling down, picking up every one of your books, apologizing over and over again. But you just looked at me and laughed. It was the first thing that I noticed about you. I don't know why, but from that moment, I felt like I had to know you. There was something about you, something special. And I'm so glad to bump into you that day. It changed everything for me. Then after a while, getting to know you, I finally got the courage to ask you to become buddies. Then we just started studying more and more and spending more time together. I remember when we used to study late at night in the library. You were always so focused. And I would just sit there, pretending to read. But I was just watching you. I mean, I couldn't help it. I was just so mesmerized. How dedicated you were. How passionate you were. That's what I love about you. But you always catch me staring at you. And always made up some kind of excuse. But I think you knew. I mean, I can't stop thinking about how lucky I am. How lucky I still am to have met you. To have you in my life. I mean, you always had a way of making things feel right. Even when things are tough. That's why I'm so thankful for you. You make me feel like I can handle anything right now. So, let me just take care of you, yeah? You don't need to worry or rest or think about anything. Sweetie, come cuddle. Come cuddle close. Good. Just like that.